Let's talk about what is Alteryx. Alteryx is a powerful data analytics platform which is designed to make data preparation, blending, and advanced analytics which is accessible to a wide range of users, starting from data analyst to data scientist. Ideally, who use Alteryx? Alteryx mainly used by data analysts and data engineers and business users and data scientists. Why data analysts use Alteryx? For what purpose? Data analysts use Alteryx for quick data preparation and reporting. And what about data engineers in this case? Data engineers use Alteryx for building data pipelines or building workflows. Similarly, business users, for what purpose business users use this? Business users use for self-service analytics. Next, data scientists. For what purpose data scientists use Alteryx? For prototyping and integrating with Python or R languages. These four people use Alteryx. I'm repeating: data analyst, data engineers, business users, and data scientists. So, what are the main components or key features of Alteryx? See, first of all, it's a drag and drop interface. Mainly, no coding required for most of the tasks. Users can build workflows very easily. The next key feature is data preparation. Data preparation can easily done using Alteryx. Clean, transformations, and join data from multiple sources like any other ETL tools like SSIS, Informatica, and so on. You can join the data between the multiple sources like Excel, CSV files, databases, cloud apps, or anything. You can join multiple sources. The next one is automation. You can easily automate the repeated tasks. And even obviously, yes, again, it's a kind of ETL tool. You can schedule the workflows to run on a daily basis or monthly basis or weekly basis or one time. It's up to us. And next feature is integration. It can easily integrate or connect with any or some of the reporting platforms like Tableau, Power BI, and even some AWS, Snowflake, and so on. And one more component or key feature of Alteryx is Alteryx Designer. The core desktop product is the Alteryx Designer, which helps us to build the workflows. It's a designer is the one which will help us to design a complex workflow with the help of drag and drop. It is a developer friendly designer. Obviously, yes, you need a license as well for Alteryx Designer. The next one is Alteryx Server. See, if you want to automate the workflows or if you want to collaborate or for sharing the workflows, you need Alteryx Server. Through Alteryx Designer, you can develop the workflows and even you can run the workflows in your local machine, in your local desktop or in your laptop. But you cannot schedule the workflows through Alteryx Designer. The next one is Alteryx Intelligence Suite. It provides you some more advanced capabilities like machine learning and so on. So these are all the key features of Alteryx. So let me repeat. The main thing is it is easy to develop and no coding. and easy automation. Okay, and more secured when compared with other tools. And many of the data people can use Alteryx easily. People who works with Alteryx, they can easily use. It's a developer friendly tool, it's a user friendly tool, it is a powerful secured platform to make the data preparations or data cleansing or data comparison. So this is the purpose of Alteryx. So here mainly if you want to quickly work on any of the Alteryx components, you need a Alteryx designer. I'll show you how to download and install a Alteryx designer. For initial months, you get a trial version for 1 month, but later you need to buy a license. Even Alteryx Designer also not a completely free version for us. It is a paid version, but 1 month free version you get. You can practice and become an expert on the Alteryx. It's easy to learn. It's a learning curve is very easily, and it provide you more secure environment for the data. It works on Windows as well. And the other component is Alteryx server. So that is separate actually. So Alteryx designer is separate and Alteryx server is separate here. And also, if you want to connect any of the SAP connect systems, by default, Alteryx doesn't provide SAP connections. You need a separate connector license. You have to buy it separately. So that is a, if you want to do it, SAP connections or some other advanced connections, you need to buy a specific connector, which has to be installed on the top of Alteryx Designer. So that's it. In the next video, we'll talk about how to create a complex workflows, how to work with a workflows and how to schedule the workflows, and by comparing Alteryx with the other data integration tools, what best we get in Alteryx. We'll talk about it. So if you have any questions on Alteryx, licensing part, or integration part, or development aspect, please do let me know in the comment section. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. For more technical concepts, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please provide your valuable feedback. Thank you.